Hello everyone and welcome. If you're over the age of 60, this video is especially for you. Today, we're going to talk about something very important. Something that most people are never taught. But it plays a huge role in how strong, stable, and confident you feel every single day. We're talking about your pelvic floor muscles. Don't worry, this is not embarrassing, not medical, and not complicated. By the end of this video, you'll understand how just a few minutes a day can help you move better, stand taller, and feel more in control of your body. So please stay with me, because this can truly improve your quality of life. As we age, our muscles naturally become weaker. We notice it in our legs, our arms, and our back. But there is one group of muscles most people forget about: the pelvic floor muscles. These muscles sit at the base of your body. They support your spine, hips, and core. When they are strong, walking feels safer, posture improves, and everyday movements become easier. When pelvic floor muscles become weak, balance becomes harder, standing up takes more effort, and overall body control is reduced. The good news is, it is never too late to strengthen them. Let's keep this simple. Your pelvic floor muscles are a group of muscles located at the bottom of your pelvis. Think of them as a natural support system that helps hold everything in place. They work together with your abdominal muscles, lower back, and hips. For adults over 60, these muscles are essential for stability, balance, safe movement, and independent living. Strengthening them helps your entire body, not just one area. Kegel exercises are gentle contractions designed to strengthen the pelvic floor. They are low impact, safe, and require no equipment. You can do them sitting, lying down, or standing, at home or anywhere. Before we begin, remember these important safety tips. Empty your bladder before exercising. Never hold your breath. Keep your stomach, legs, and glutes relaxed. If you feel tired, take a break. There is no rush. Many people ask, how do I know I'm using the right muscles? Imagine gently lifting the muscles at the base of your body upward and inward. It should feel gentle, not forced. With practice, this becomes very natural. Sit comfortably in a chair or lie down. Relax your shoulders and neck. Gently contract your pelvic floor muscles. Hold for 5 seconds. Slowly relax for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. If 5 seconds feels too long, start with 3. This simple exercise helps rebuild muscle connection, improve awareness, and safely strengthen the core. Even once a day can make a noticeable difference over time. You don't need hours of exercise. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day is enough. Consistency matters more than intensity. Welcome to Healthy Web Hub, your trusted place for simple, safe, and effective fitness guidance. For a healthier and more active life, gently tighten your pelvic floor muscles and release immediately. Keep the movement small and controlled. Repeat 15 to 20 times. Breathe normally throughout. Avoid holding your breath. Avoid tightening your stomach or legs. Do not rush the movement. Slow and controlled is always better. So far, we've covered what pelvic floor muscles are, why they matter after 60, and 2 foundational Kegel exercises. In the next part, we'll continue building strength safely. Let's continue right where we left off. You've already learned what the pelvic floor is and practiced 2 important exercises. Now we'll gently build on that foundation with a few more safe and effective movements. For this next exercise, lie down on your back, on a comfortable surface. Bend your knees and place your feet flat on the floor. Keep your arms relaxed by your sides. Gently engage your pelvic floor muscles. Slowly lift your hips just a few inches upward. There is no need to lift high. Focus on smooth and controlled movement. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Breathe normally. Then slowly lower your hips back down and fully relax. This exercise strengthens the pelvic floor, hips, and lower back. It also supports better posture and safer movement in daily life. Now let's move to a seated exercise. Sit comfortably in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Sit tall but stay relaxed. Gently tighten your pelvic floor muscles. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly relax for 5 seconds. Repeat this 10 times. This exercise can be done while resting, reading, or even watching television. That makes it easy to stay consistent. Take a slow, deep breath in. As you breathe out, gently engage your pelvic floor muscles, then fully relax. This breathing exercise helps improve relaxation, muscle awareness, and mind-body connection. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day is more than enough. There is no need to rush. Slow and steady progress is best. You may feel gentle muscle engagement, slight warmth, and better posture. You should never feel pain. If you do, stop and rest. Remember, it is never too late to get stronger and feel better. Your body can still improve at any age. Strong pelvic floor muscles support balance, posture, and independence. They help you move with confidence in everyday life. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. This is Healthy Web Hub, helping you live a healthier, stronger, and more active life at any age.